Are you struggling to grow your business? Don't worry, there is hope at the other end of the tunnel. Yes, it's tough, but what else can we do? A 9 to 5 job that drains your soul? Certainly not. Perhaps you desire the safety of a salary you can count on. What if that costs you mentally or emotionally? If you put your mind to rest and look at the big picture, finding ways to expand your company and earn more money is easy. Even though there may be hundreds of ways to grow a business, these 11 ideas will help you advance to the next level easily and quickly. Number 1, get the right people on board. Before you even consider how your business will expand, you have to make sure you have a strong team to assist you in achieving your objectives. Hiring the best people you can find is the best way to grow quickly, said Christian Lang, CEO and co-founder of the business software company TrackTech. Everything depends on having the right team. If your staff works hard and cares about the business's success, it will be easier for your company to continue growing. Deferred duties so you can concentrate on crucial work will also free up your energy and letting you do your greatest work and build a teamwork culture. Number 2, pay attention to well-known ways to make money. Bill Riley, who runs an auto repair business in Wisconsin, said that instead of getting new customers, you should focus on the existing customers you have. He said you can achieve this by starting a referring or customer loyalty program or by experimenting with various marketing strategies based on how people have bought from you in the past. Concentrating on your existing market is particularly important. In the past, we would talk about how we wanted our business to become a franchise, but banks didn't care, said Riley. We understood that it's important to stress that there is a significant market for what we produce. This could be interesting to a bank manager because they care more about your investment return than your business objectives. Number 3, take less risk. Risk is an element of starting a company and developing it. You can't control it all, but there are numerous ways to prevent risks from inside and outside your company that could hurt its expansion. Your company insurance provider is an effective tool to assist you in doing this. Mike DeHetra, Vice President of Product Development at Traveler, said small businesses need to keep track of their growth to avoid disruptions that can stop business in its tracks. For example, theft of employee data, customer records, and product designs can destroy a small business by causing huge costs and reducing customer loyalty and trust. Not all insurance policies for company owners protect against security breaches or even other cyber damages. Small companies should be ready for disasters by getting insurance products that assist them in getting back on their feet, such as policies that cover the expense of cleanup and litigation. As your small company grows, you may need to add area or machinery, make new goods or services, or expand your operation, maintenance, and distribution area. DeHetra suggests that you should check your strategy to make sure you have the correct coverage. It's easy to forget this step when your business is growing quickly, but you don't want to find out that you've overgrown your coverage right when you need it the most, he said. Number 4, be adaptable. One thing that many successful firms have in familiar is the capacity to quickly shift gears when the industry fluctuates. Lang said that if you create new goods adequately, you will grow faster. If you're willing to change and adapt quickly, you can try out different business strategies and find out which ones work best. Lang told Business News Daily, "It gives you the chance to fail, pick yourself up, and try again." Chris Cornell, the founder and CEO of Manhead Merchandise, said that his business ability to adapt has helped it grow outside its original focus on music merchandise. Number 5, pay attention to how your customers feel. How customers see your company can either make it or split it. If you give them good products and experiences, they'll talk about you on social media. If you screw up, they'll spread the word even way quicker. To grow quickly, you need to ensure that your current and future clients are satisfied with your services. Small businesses are more flexible than big ones and are often better able to see, predict, and meet their customers' needs. DeHetra said the most successful small business take advantage of this by bringing new and innovative products and services to market more quickly and building and maintaining long-term customer relationships. The president and CEO of Astro Gallery of Gems, Dennis Tangeloff, agreed. He said the most important thing is to hear from your clients and provide them with what they desire. Vary what you sell so you can meet the changing tastes of your customers, Tangeloff said. Don't forget that you are here to serve the customer. That's why you're in business. Interacting with your customers is important, but making the experience more unique can improve your connection with them. At Manhead, we help each band we work with connect with their fans in a new way by coming up with unique designs, customized storefronts, and pop-up shops, Cornell said. Smaller companies can change quickly to satisfy the requirements of their clients. Because they can change quickly, this can give them a leg up over bigger businesses. Number 6. Invest heavily in yourself. At the beginning of your business, you're probably not going to make much or any cash, so any funds you make should go straight towards assisting you to expand. The ability of a startup to invest in itself speeds up growth, said Lang. In the first few years, it is very important to put any funds you earn into the company again. To grow fast, it's important to invest early and a lot. Although it may be tricky to keep all your revenues to yourself, it's more beneficial to invest in the expansion of your company so you can make more money in the long run. Figure out what sections of your company need more work. For instance, do you need to hire more staff, increase your marketing, or get more money? When you find an important area that needs to be fixed, give money to that area. Number 7. Think ahead of time. As your company grows and changes, the greatest way to remain stable and safe is to plan your upcoming step, considering all possible outcomes. Thinking about the future is a general point of advice, but it may be as simple as going over your current contacts and comparing rates with the best credit card processors to see if you can get a good offer. Number 8. Improve your customer service. Focusing on giving excellent customer service is another brilliant way to expand your company. Clients will likely inform their relatives and followers about your company if you go above and beyond what they expect. Whenever you go the extra distance for a customer, like by giving them a discount if they have a terrible experience, or following up to make sure they were happy with your service, you establish a name for good customer service. Make absolutely sure that your customer service department has the top business phone network. Number 9. Pay attention to social media. You can also expand your business by making accounts on the most popular social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. If your profile is active, you can effectively promote your company and talk to more potential clients. When your business has an account on the big platforms, customers can locate you more quickly and efficiently and are more likely to spread the word about you. You'll also make your audience's experience more interesting, which will assist them in feeling more attached to your brand and build trust. Number 10. Host events in your area. Joining events is a great way to expand your network, but hosting events in your community is even better. Whether it's a fundraising event, special deals on holiday, or sponsoring a native sports team, giving your customers a one-of-a-kind experience will help you build more close relationships with them. If you plan an event in your region, people will learn about your brand and see that you care about their well-being. People will be more committed to you if you care about them. Number 11. Learn about your competitors. Even though this might not lead to growth right away, it is among the most crucial first steps when starting a business. Think about who your rivals are, what they offer that you don't that works for them, and how you will make your business stand out from theirs. The answer to these inquiries will assist you in creating a better business plan by showing you which parts of your business need more attention to grow. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. See you in the next one.
Thank you.